Hey guys, it's Captain Gavie here. So today, it's going to be a short video. Yeah. Anyway, so here's what I wanted to announce. So, I just wanted to say that, just kidding. No, sorry, I have a bad cough since January. Anyway, so the announcement is I will be not only making Captain Gavie t-shirts. This isn't it. I just wanted to show it off, but they will look like this in long sleeve shirts and as you can see here, I'll be there in a minute. So, and sometime in the future, I'll probably be making Captain Gavie footballs. So, if you're wondering, Captain Gavie, isn't there something more amazing of an announcement to make for your channel, for some franchise? And rather than your own website, that's not the announcement. There's just one more merchandise thing. I'll give you guys a clue. It has 3 circles on its sides. If you guessed, and your answers are A, fidget spinner, B, Mickey Mouse thing, C, something with 3 circles on its sides, or D, some Captain Gavie franchise thing that you don't even probably care about. If you guessed B, Mickey Mouse, Captain Gavie Mickey Mouse face, you are wrong, because that's stupid. Or if you guess C, something with 3 circles on its sides, you are wrong. If you guess D, some Captain Gavie merchandise thing that you probably don't even care about, it's most likely to be derp. If you guessed finally A, Captain Gavie fidget spinner, you're gosh dang right! Yes, soon, sometime in the future, I will be making a DIY video of how to make a Captain Gavie fidget spinner. Probably 2 of them, actually. So, I just wanted to say, guys, that it's a big announcement. Dad, seriously? Anyway, so guys, it is a big announcement. I just wanted to say this. It's so dang amazing, and it will be super cool. So yeah, it costs. I don't know about the price yet. So yeah, I'll think about it with my cameraman Dad here. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Yeah. So and my friend Taylor. So yeah, and if you would feel bad for me for getting this knee scrape by falling on some hard sand and getting this bruise from a backfiring arrow and all these gosh dang scars and bruises on my gosh dang back, then please subscribe and leave a like, and gosh dang wait a while to check out my website, because it might take a while to make my website and to do all that stuff, etc, etc. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Peace out. Still 7 if you excuse me, I have to go. I have to go and get Marcus 4. I gotta get my Marcus 6 up in here with, since I took a serum extremis. That was really hard. So, anyway, let's get on with this. Bye, guys. Sail 7 me.